Here's the app called Enjoy AI Town. Create anyone you want. So pretty trendy new app. 4,000 online residents. It's a social world simulator with an AI town. Meet anybody, do anything, and be anyone. As creator, you can build your own stories, location, and characters. Imagine a world where your personal creation have their own dreams and desires. Download, enjoy now, and start your journey. Free to download and play. So yeah, here is the app, and then you can just open it up, Enjoy AI Town. You can see your places in here. You have your profile. There are all different kind of virtual spaces. So for example, here is cafe. Let's enter it. And then there are all different profiles in here. And then you
Hey,
can then just
cutie.
try to message some AI profiles in here. And seems there are also like real people in here, but you just need to take a look. And then you can log in to save your progress. You can link your account. So yeah, let's just try to sign in. Yeah, so it's a bit glitchy. So now you can pick your look, for example. Then you have all these coins. You can get more coins by completing tasks, surveys. So then yeah, you can just share it and create your own character, invite friends. So then you can just get it. So for example, you can invite friends, yeah, to social. So that's the idea. When someone enters your code within 48 hours of downloading, Enjoy will both earn 500 coins and 5 hearts. So this is my code. Feel free to use it. This is my invite code UQQUAW, which you can just use in here. So yeah, feel free to use it. And yeah, then you can just share link. Then yeah, if you install this app, you can then just so here it is again. Let's try to account management. You can delete account from here. Preferences. Then you just have it like that. So then you have upgrade subscription, which you have $20 per month, so quarterly $45. Then you have all tasks. Then you have creation studio. You can create character, and so yeah, that's the idea. Then you go to your town, and I don't know what's happened. So here you can then just select some places. You can add it to your own place, and then you can invite people to these places. This can be bots, and this can also be like your real people. So something like that, what you have in here. So yeah, there you have it. That's kind of the app. That's how you just get started. And yeah, remember, when you create an account in this app, just enter my invite code. And pretty cool. Also, you can create your own venue if you want. So this app is kind of still character AI chat, but here you have more visual. You have more of these AI places, and it's a bit more visual and more fun. So that's what it is. So yeah, there you have it.